Hey guys, CJ here with Diode Dynamics. Today, I'm excited to go over and show you how to install our new Stage Series Stealth Lightbar Kit on this 2019 Ram 1500 Limited. Check it out. You may have seen our Stealth Lightbar kits in the past for vehicles like the Toyota Tundra and 4Runner. This kit allows you to mount one of our 18-inch light bars in the factory lower bumper opening of your 2019 Plus Ram. The light bar features our combo optic, which combines both the driving and flood optics, and comes in either 6000K cool white or amber. Not only will this kit give your truck a clean OEM-like appearance, but it provides a significant increase in nighttime visibility, especially when paired with our fog or ditch light kits. Now you may think you'll lose a lot of light output since it's mounted behind the grille, but this isn't the case thanks to our custom engineered TIR optics. The optics in our Stage Series lineup harness all of the light output from the LED chips and deliver it exactly where you want it without any stray or wasted light. The installation process for this kit can differ depending on if you have a vented or non-vented lower plastic grille. If you don't have a vented grille, you will need to order one separately to be retrofitted. If your truck also has active shutters, those will need to be removed prior to installation. Our truck didn't come from the factory with this lower slotted grille that you see here, so we ordered one separately, and it doesn't have the active shutters. I'll show you how to get everything installed now. We'll start underneath the vehicle behind the lower bumper grille. If your vehicle has parking sensors, disconnect the harnesses located on both the driver and passenger side of the grille. Next, we'll use a trim removal tool to remove 9 plastic clips on the lower side. Using an 8mm shallow socket, loosen the 9 nuts located on top of the grille. With the plastic clips removed and the bolts loosened, we can slide the grille forward from the bumper to remove it. Lay the grille on a flat surface and remove the parking sensors by gently prying the 2 tabs with the square openings outwards and pulling the sensor away. Remove the sensor housing by pushing in the 4 slim tabs and pushing the bracket forward through the front of the grille. It's important to note the sensor orientation as they are driver and passenger specific. Improper reinstallation may cause the sensors to malfunction. Now we can reverse the steps we used to remove the sensors to install them on our new see-through grille. Gently slide the grille into the lower bumper opening and reinstall by reversing the steps we used to remove it. Next, using a 13mm socket, remove the 2 bolts from the existing passenger side bumper support bracket. Grab your passenger side bracket marked with an R and install it using the 2 bolts we just removed. The brackets are labeled L and R for left and right, so make sure you're installing them in the correct orientation. Repeat the same steps for the driver's side bracket. Now we can grab our light bar and using the included M6 hardware, hand tighten. With our light bar mounted, we can route our wiring. Grab the included wiring harness and connect your positive and negative leads to the battery connectors. Then you can route the DT connector how you see fit, keeping away from any hot or moving parts. We'll be routing behind the driver's side headlight down to the lower bumper. After that, you can route the toggle switch through the firewall to the location of your choice. If you have an aftermarket switch bank, we include a switch adapter harness so you can connect to that as well. Plug in the light bar and test for functionality. With everything functioning properly, make your final aiming adjustments and tighten down the light bar using a 10mm socket. Finally, secure any loose wiring using the included zip ties. If you're looking to pick up a Stealth Lightbar Kit for your vehicle or any of our other products, you can visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you want to stay up to date on any new or future products, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.